Easy to set up and manage. Indoor Wi-Fi cloud managed access point with simple management from anywhere using the Meraki Go mobile app. Easily add multiple admins to help manage your networking equipment. Features for businesses. Create guest Wi-Fi with a tap, a custom splash page in seconds, or use guest insights to better engage with customers. Peace of mind. Remote visibility, troubleshooting tools, and alerts with the Meraki Go mobile app. All-inclusive with no subscription required. Automatic updates, mobile app management and tech support included. Mounting kit, GR10, QSG, PSU, and Ethernet cables in the box. Top reviews from the United States. The best consumer access point on the market. I have installed and configured dozens of Wi-Fi routers and access points. This one is the best I have come around. Very easy to set up, intuitive user interface, auto updates, strong signal, great statistics, and made by Cisco. All this combined, it makes it the best consumer Wi-Fi access point out there.